Okay, so we're going to go into 41. I had to re-record this because I screwed up something on problem 47. I drew my angles in the wrong place. So anyway, this is problem 41, which is a triangle, and we're supposed to be figuring out what these three angles are. Turns out the answers are here, but let me explain how we got that. So we actually start here because we know that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle equal 180. So we take this angle plus this angle plus that angle. All those have to add up to be 180. If we go here and we simplify, x plus 2x plus x is 4x. Negative 10 minus 50 is negative 60. And then we have 180. So to solve for x, first thing we do is we add 60 to both sides. That will give us 0 here and 4x. So that moves all the constants to the right-hand side. So we get 4x is equal to 240. Divide both sides by 4. Then you get x is 60 The answer is not 60. Then you go back up here and plug it in here. So you get 60 minus 10 is 50. 2 times 60 minus 50 is 70. And x is 60. So those are the three angles. Angle A is 50 degrees, angle B is 70 degrees, angle C is 60 degrees. And problem number 44 is easy because it's just a triangle with all angles equal to each other. So we just add the three angles together. That's 180. These are all x's, so we have three of them, so it becomes 3x. And then we divide both sides by 3, so you get 60 degrees. It's an equilateral triangle. Okay, now I'll try 47 again once I draw it correctly. So we have a kind of a short side here. We have this side that kind of extends out, and then we draw this third side like that. So these are the interior angles for this triangle. And they're called A, B, and C. Those are the vertices, and then we have a D right here, which creates this exterior angle. Turn this exterior angle is 20x plus 25. This interior angle is 15x minus 10, and this interior angle is 10x. So what we know is that the exterior angle here is the same as the sum of the two interior angles. So basically what we do is we take 15x minus 10, which is angle B. We add angle A, and we know that has to equal 20x plus 25. So we get, on the left-hand side, 25x minus 10. And on the right-hand side, we get 20x plus 25. So to solve for x, we're going to add 10 to both sides to get 0 there. Then we're going to subtract 20x from both sides to get rid of the 20x on the right-hand side. So 25x minus 20x is 5x. Negative 10 plus 10 is 0. 20x minus 20x is 0. 25 plus 10 is 35. So we get 5x is equal to 35. And x is equal to 35 divided by 5. And so we get x is 7. So that's what x is. What is this angle? It's going to be 20 times 7 plus 25, which is 140. 2 times 7 is 14, and then we have another 0. So we get 140 plus 25. So the answer is 165 degrees. So this angle is 165. This angle would be 15 degrees, this little angle here. And the sum of these two would be 165. This one would be 70, and this one would be well, 15 times 7 is 105, minus 10 is 95. And then the last problem, well, not next to last problem, is 50. So let's draw this triangle for you. So we have this side like this. We have this side coming out like that. And then the third side is that one. We extend it. And it says, I guess this angle here is 100 minus 4x. So that's one. This is the exterior angle. And the two opposite angles of this one, which is 2x, and this angle, which is 4x. So again, the sum of the two, this is the interior angle. This is the exterior angle. These are the angles opposite. So we know that 100 minus 4x is equal to 2x plus 4x. So we got 100 minus 4x is equal to 6x. 2 plus 4 is 6. We'll add 4x to both sides. So we add that, we'll get 100 minus 0x, which is just 0, and 6 plus 4 is 10. So we can switch sides. 10x is equal to 100. X is equal to 100 divided by 10. X is equal to 10. And so the exterior angle here is 100 minus 4x. We go up here, 100 minus 4 times x, which is 10. And so we get 60 degrees as this exterior angle. This angle would be 20. This would be 40. 40 plus 20 is 60. This angle would have to be 120 degrees because these three have to add up to 180. These two add up to 180. So if this is 120, then that has to be 160. I mean, it has to be 60, which is what we calculated. And then the final problem is 52. So let me draw this, see if I can draw this accurately. So we have a triangle that's like this. We have one that goes like this. And then we have one that goes like that, sort of like that. And we have 5, 4, and 3. So let's refer to angles 1, 2, and 3 in the figure. Prove that the sum of the measures of angles 1 and 2 is equal to the measure of angle 6. Okay, so let me put these other ones in red, I guess. 1, 2, 6. So what we have is all of these add up to 180 degrees. So if we do angle 5 plus angle 2, that's equal to 180. Angle 4 plus angle 1 is equal to 180. Angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180. Because these are all vertical angles. Not vertical angles, but they are straight angles. Okay, so what else can we say? Is there anything that we need to... oh, we also know that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180, because these are the sum of the interior angles. So I think we should be able to use each one of those to somehow come up with the result that we're looking for. So how do we do that? We're kind of trying to eliminate, 3, so let's do that here. Let's take this third equation. So we get angle 6 is equal to 180 minus angle. Oh, no, I want to do it the way. So if we take this and we substitute into there, we'll get angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, which is actually, so angle 3 is equal to 180 minus angle 6. Okay, so we get angle 3 is equal to 180 minus angle 6. and that equals 180. 1 plus 2 plus 3, but 3 is 180 minus 6. So you can see those cancel out. And here we can, so what we have left is that one. We have angle 5 plus angle 2 is 180. And we have angle 4 plus angle 1 is equal to 180. And we're trying to keep these. So okay, I'm going to pause for a second so I can just think about this on my time. Okay, well actually that's all I had to do. I don't need to do this extra stuff. I was keep going on, but I didn't need to. So I only had to use this equation and this one, which is angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180. So I solved for angle 3, plugged it in there, and what I got left is that equation, which says that angle 6 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2, which is proves that the sum of the angles 1 and 2 is equal to the measure of angle 6. So that's it.